Hey kids, so today we have this board, and as you can see we have different parts of an animal present over here. So kids, we have to combine all of them together on its right place. So let's get started. Alright kids, so first of all we'll take the face of an animal. So kids, we have this face of an animal. It is yellow and orange in color. Can you tell me which animal is this? Yes, it is a lion. So we have to put it onto the board on its right place. Here? No, not here, here. Alright, here. Okay, so we have to find out where's the body of the lion. Any guesses? Yes, it seems like the other part of the lion, which is the lower part, as it is also yellow and orange in color. Let's try. Good job. So we have completed this line. Good job. Alright kids, next we have to take another face of the animal. Let's take this part. It is also a face of an animal. It is green in color. Can you tell me which animal is this? Yes, it is the face of a crocodile. Let's put it onto the board. Here, here. Yes, here. So kids, we have to find out where is the rest body part of this crocodile. So let's find it out together. Here. It seems like the lower part of the crocodile, as it is also green in color. Let's try. Bravo! So kids, we have also completed this crocodile. So kids, let's take the face of this animal. It is blue in color. Can you tell me which animal is this? It seems like an elephant. Good job. So let's put it onto the board. Here, here. Good job. So kids, we have to find out where the rest body part of the animal. So let's get started. Here, here, yes. As you can see, it is also blue and red in color. So let's try it out. Good job. So kids, we have completed this animal. Next we have the face of an animal. It is orange and white in color. Can you tell me which animal is this? Yes, it is a fox. Let's put it onto the board. Here, here, here. Yes. Good job. Now we have to find out where the other part of this fox. Here, here, here. Yes, it is also orange and blue in color. So let's put it onto the board. Like this. Good job. Next we have the face of another animal. It is yellow and orange in color. Can you tell me which animal is this? It is a giraffe. Good job. So let's put it onto the board. Here. Bravo! So kids, we have to find out where the other part of the giraffe. Here, as you can see, it is also orange and yellow in color. Let's put it onto the board. Like this, good job. Next we have this animal. It is blue in color. Can you tell me which animal is this? Alright, so it is a bear. Let's put it onto the board. Like this. So we are left with this body part. It must be the body part of a bear. Let's put it onto the board. Like this, good job. So let's revise them all together. A bear, elephant, a giraffe, a crocodile, fox, and a lion. Alright. So kids, we have completed this board activity. I hope you like this activity. If you like this activity, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.